Today for the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin is right now maturing in this ascending triangle and we just got a rejection here from a potential breakout. The question right now is, of course, are we going to eventually break down all the way down here to our bearish price target? Well, there are some very dangerous news here unfolding from the Dow Jones Industrial Average right now. I want to tell you exactly what this could mean for the Bitcoin price. But on the flip side, guys, I also have very good news for you. So I really want to urge you to watch this video until the very end to get an understanding of what I want to tell you today. I will be showing you my trades on Bybit, on Phemex. I have set a new stop loss here on my trades, and you want to see what this stop loss is. I will show you exactly my profits, my trades, my stop losses and my take profits here in the immediate short term for Bitcoin. And I have good news for you. I will be showing you exactly how you can get the highest bonus for everyone watching this video, $390 for free, in the pinned comment down below. Make sure you watch this video until the very end. Make sure you sit down, you scroll down and you smash up the like button for this video. Look at this yesterday's video. Once again, more than 4,000 likes. You are the best crypto family out there. I'm not even joking. Look at the likes. It's crazy. Thank you so much for that. Press the subscription button, press the bell, and also press this one here. Press on all. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always, we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always, we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And actually, I was not planning to make a video today. I wanted to skip today's video, but what is happening right now for Bitcoin is clearly very important. We see insane volatility coming up. Bitcoin was actually breaking out of the symmetrical triangle, and then we had the confirmation of the breakout, and we were already close to breaking out towards the upside, hitting our price target. But you can see we are facing a rejection right now, and what is happening right now is a clear indication that maybe something dangerous is unfolding for Bitcoin, at least from a price perspective. Fundamentally, everything is fine. I am bullish on Bitcoin, extremely bullish for this year. So don't get too crazy here now because of the title or whatever. But I really want to show you something. I'm actually not joking around. I want to talk about the 4-hourly candles. I want to talk about the potential breakout, whether it's to the downside or to the upside, about my price targets, about my trades. But let me go here into the Dow Jones Industrial Average before. And what we can see here is the DJI, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. It is taking the 30 biggest US companies from the industrial average and clustering them together into an index. And what we can see here is with the daily open today, actually in the exact moment the daily open came today here, the Dow Jones went lower. And what we can see here unfolding on the 4-hourly is a massive M pattern. M patterns are obviously very bearish if it's breaking the neckline. Of course, only from a technical perspective, the Dow Jones can go more down. We have the elections coming up, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of people not being happy. And then obviously this is also could be considered a double top. And here you can just see this chart here right now. It looks like maybe it is topping out. And if we look at the last few days, basically the last 2 weeks, and we are going here from the 13th of October, 13th of October in the industrial average, it was just going down here, forming the beginning of a potential M pattern. But then, and this was the good news for a very long time, and so far it is still okay, everything is still fine. But if we are going here to the Bitcoin chart, also the 4-hourly candles, and then we are starting from the 13th of October, you can see that Bitcoin was doing nothing but only going up, hinting towards a potential decoupling, of course. So this is actually a very good news for Bitcoin. While the stock markets are going down, Bitcoin is going up. So this is even a negative correlation, whereas throughout the last, I don't know, since March, since this Corona dump, we always had a severe, strong, positive correlation for Bitcoin between the stock market, whereas we actually, as Bitcoin believers, we want an uncorrelated asset. So far, we can see a negative correlation. But unfortunately, today, this retest here of the resistance, Bitcoin was getting a lot of volume and Bitcoin was ready to break out. Unfortunately, it coincided with the Dow Jones breaking down. So the question right now is, what is going to happen here for Bitcoin? Well, I want to say we need a decoupling anytime soon if we want to see a year-end rally. But the Dow Jones keeps collapsing and Bitcoin stays positively correlated to the Dow Jones, well, this could be not all too good for Bitcoin. I am not saying that we are not going to see the pump, because I am looking at the technicals. I can see Bitcoin being clearly bullish. I have my trades open. I still predict much higher prices towards the end of the year. I'm just saying, if the stock markets are collapsing, until the end of the year, which is a possible scenario, and Bitcoin cannot decouple from them, well, then we can expect some downwards momentum for Bitcoin. And I can see two different scenarios unfolding right now. And I want you to pay close attention because this is very important. We have a bearish scenario actually unfolding because look at this. I am not saying it is going to pan out, but if you look here at this neckline, and then we are looking at the left shoulder, the right shoulder, and the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder, and then pulling out also the volume candles, then you can see at least we have a few volume spikes here at the points of interest. So this could be a potential head and shoulders pattern with the Dow Jones going bearish and then Bitcoin breaking the neckline. We could break down. It is at least more likely as it was yesterday here with the Dow Jones breaking down, and the bearish target, we have to pull it out from the head actually. The measured move target would be, by what a coincidence, once again, $12,500, the previous high, and this orange horizontal, yellow horizontal line, which I actually didn't change for the last couple of weeks. So you can see here, this would bring us all the way down to $12,500. Technically, however, we are still bullish for Bitcoin. Technically, the highest likelihood still remains for Bitcoin to break towards the upside, because this symmetrical triangle was now evolving over into an ascending triangle. And ascending triangles in and of themselves already have a higher likelihood to break towards the upside. And when we have a bullish trend leading into it, and then of course also an upward sloping support line, the likelihood gets even higher. But we have to look at the whole picture. We have to consider also the equity markets, and we also have to consider here this head and shoulders pattern, which is potentially unfolding. We have to hold the neckline. If we are getting a strong volume supported bounce, I will stick to my bullish buy-ins, and I will tell you guys, I am still in all my trades, and I will ride this towards the upside. My price target here, the new price target actually from this ascending triangle, would be a little bit higher than the one before, and it would bring us once again, look at this coincidence, exactly to the end of our resistance box here, all the way up approximately at the price level of $13,700. And if I am going right now over here to the daily candles, then you can see this coincides once again. I mean, all these coincidences, I am not really believing in it. Either it is the universe or some ways playing with us. It is coinciding here perfectly with the previous high we had in June 2019. And if I were to pull out a Fibonacci measurement tool, then you can see this pulled out from the all-time high to the bear market low. Well, it is also exactly in perfect alignment with our Fibonacci golden pocket. So guys, expect some massive traffic, even if we are breaking out towards the upside, coming in at 13,700. That would be for sure a very good potential take profit point. But we have to monitor the price action here on the 4-hourly or even on the daily, on the hourly candles, because what is going to happen here if we are breaking the net line might be very dangerous for Bitcoin, especially if this correlation solidifies. You can see here this candle is anything else but bullish. This M pattern on the Dow Jones is anything else but bullish. So we have to pray here for Bitcoin to hold it. We have to pray for this actually getting a wick only and not for Bitcoin breaking down. If we are breaking down, you know my price targets, you know all my trades on Bybit and on Femex, and I will not show all of them again. The profits are still the same like yesterday approximately. I only want to show you one thing here, because my trade on Femex, right now I put in a new stop loss. You can see it right here. It is $70,000 in a profit. My other trade on Bybit is approximately $70,000 in a profit, and then I have an $80,000 profit trade, another one on Femex. And here I put in a new stop loss. You can see at $12,690. Why did I choose this stop loss? Well, I will still be $50,000 in a profit when it is getting stopped out, but I can see some warning signs unfolding. And when I can see that, even though I am a bull, I want to have an exit plan. I want to know exactly if things turn against me, if things turn against my buy-ins and against my technical analysis, I want to make sure that I'm going home with profits. And my target here, you can see this is the previous low, and I want to make sure if Bitcoin goes below this target, if we are closing below our previous low and changing the macro structure, I want to be out of this trade at least. The other two trades I'm holding open. So technically we are bullish for Bitcoin, but now we have these warning signs, these danger signs unfolding. And I want to tell you guys, we want to be here when things turn against us, and we want to be here when things are still turning bullish out. So far, it looks like we can get the bounce, so don't get too excited here. If you are watching as a bear, we really have to monitor the price action also for the Dow Jones. And also, guys, we can, of course, if you are standing on the sidelines, I am personally not putting in a new trade. I have my 3 trades. But if you are standing on the sidelines and you want to trade this volatility, I can tell you one thing. Insane volatility is going to come for Bitcoin. This is for sure. We are maturing in this triangle. The volume is dropping down. So of course this breakout will be volatile. If you want to trade it, well, you might as well trade the breakdown or trade the breakout. The breakout is still more likely to happen. Please guys, don't get me wrong here, but please only trade it if we have a volume supported breakout or breakdown with a confirmation. Then we can say for sure that we are going higher, because if you traded this, there was no breakout confirmation, there was no volume. If you traded this, you are right now in a loss. It is very important to wait for the volume. It is very important to wait for the confirmation. And if you want to be trading that here, I have the biggest bonus for you, the biggest bonus on whole crypto YouTube actually. If you go down to the pinned comment and you scroll down to the pinned comment, to the very first pinned comment here, you can get $390 for free by simply going to this comment, clicking this specific link here, then putting in your email address and your password. And with this deposit schedule here, you have to use our link. If you used it before, it's fine. If not, you have to go down, use this link, and with this deposit schedule you can get $390 for free from the exchange. And of course you are supporting us as well, and you are getting the highest bonus on YouTube. You can leave your money on the sidelines and only trade the bonus here in this potential breakout trade. So if you appreciate that, smash up the like button and use the link in the pinned comment down below. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.